Makapagal. Malaman kung nag-up pa or nag-cover. Sa Blue Wave right now. So, while waiting for the food, meron naman. Hindi ko kasi kilala yung mga bago. Marami talaga akong kilala. And hopefully, wag sanang makilala lang kayo ngayon. Kasi sa next activities, para makilala kayo, dapat na-attested kayo. Kasi marami, based on experience, meron kumating ngayon, after that, wala na. Parang wala. Hopefully, wag naman po sana sasabihin gano'n. Saka, after this, online na lang ako. To give you an example, alas 4 ako man sa Quezon City. Pero kung dumating ako dito, 8. Yun ang commitment ko kasi sabi ko, karating ako, I have to here. Kahit na, di man yung submarine commander ko sa Quezon City na lumutang ang sasakyan. Yung sarili ko, hindi lumutang, nakadaan. Ganon katibay yung sarili ko. Ayun, baka yung captain.
lang. At least nakadaan.
Secondly, hindi ko ma-express kagad yung how happy I am right now na seeing new faces and old faces. Sa mga old faces, okay na, alam na nila yun eh. Pero sa new faces, I'm so happy na nandito kayo. And I'm also happy kasi si Tata Roots graciously umaten sa atin. Tata Roots. Kaya naman, yung mga malalayo, yung mga Metro Manila, hindi ko na muna, dimension. Yung taga Bicol na
Pampanga.
Sa Pampanga, si Ryan. Ako nga pala, galing din doon. Pero, malayo rin ako paminsan-minsan. Anyway, kaya lang naman ako nakikipag-usap sa inyo right now, para hindi naman kayo nakikipag-bore. Okay? I know for a fact na you're expecting a lot of things sa club. And to tell you frankly, there are a lot of things that you have to expect. Number one, siguro nakilala niyo na yung mekaniko. So, expectation nyo na mamit yung chief mechanic ng Daihatsu nandito. Yun eh.
Ayun!
Happy birthday mo pala. Oh, birthday nga pala.
Stiso lang, naka-Honda eh.
We're here para mag-elect ng mga officers, diba? And bago ako dumating dito, parang made up na ata yung karamihan kung sino ang presidente. Diba? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na si JP yun, di ba? Hindi ko sinasabi. Parang ito sinasabi si JP yun, di ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung sino yung vice president niya, yung secretary. Pero ako, nagpo-volunteer na ako na maging advisor. Taga-Sulson sa Tagalog. So, para hindi naman i-guide natin yung mga officers. Final na pala to, ito na. So, I have to announce na yung presidente, si no other than JP. JP, tapos na yung yung role ko. Ikaw na presidente. So it's up to you right now to introduce your vice president, the secretary, the treasurer, and the auditor. So, your floor ta. Go na. Woo! 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 Good evening, everybody, and let's welcome our new
Salamat sa trust. Honestly, I did not want the position kasi lang sa daming expectations ng lahat ng members, there's too much to accomplish for this term. Parang nasa reorganization tayo ng club, so parang mas mabigat yung pressure for this group. Now, okay, basahin ko muna. So, elected Vice President is Sir Arles. Our secretary is none other than Miss JL. Our treasurer is Sir Doy. Our auditor is Sir Val. For council members, we have Sir McCoy. Sir Norman. Kailan daw ba kasali ka? And Sir Kun. Wala. So, siguro, what I suggest is the new officers will have a meeting. We may have to add some additional council members kasi syempre, most of this group, most in this list is, well, most of them are new. So we would need the guidance of the older people who have been here before us. As I always say, we'll be here after we've gone. So, ayun. Anyway, so what I can say is I'll try my very best to serve the group. To the best of my ability. Well, as I was saying, medyo limited din yung time ko. So, yung mga available time ko, I'll dedicate for the club. I have some activities well, iniisip ko, sabi ko kasi before, kahit hindi ako yung na-elect na president, I'll give the suggestions kung sino yung upo. But since, well, it looks like you have the trust in me, thank you, I'll try to share that with the officers para matingnan kung pwede, and with the council. So, yung mga officers, mag-uusap na lang kami kung kailan kami mag-meet para kung ano yung isi-settle. I'm sure maraming issues na dapat ayusin, like membership, kung sino talaga tunay na members, membership fee, dahil walang fund yung club, fundraising activities, para hindi naman every time na lalabas tayo, yung activity, medyo gasgas na isa. What else? Mga eyeballs would automatically be part of yung mga regular activities ng club. And syempre, madadagdagan ng ibang mga activities like mga fun run. I think Sir McCoy has a suggestion sa fun run. PCP North is coming up with an activity na I think kung palalawigin ng konti, mas magiging beneficial for everybody na hindi lang mga DCP members, pati yung mga family kasama. Kasi, di ba, parang